Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will do the lab test network latency with ping and traceroute. Okay, for the objective, part one is use ping to document network latency, and part two is use traceroute to document network latency. Okay, for the background of this lab is to obtain realistic network latency statistic. This activity must be performed on a live network. Be sure to check with your instructor for any local security rejection against the using ping command on the network. The purpose of this lab is to measure and evaluate network latency over time and during different periods of the day to capture a representative sample of typical network activity. This will be accomplished by analyzing the return delay from a distant computer with the ping command. Return delay times measured in milliseconds will be summarized by computing the average latency mean and the range maximum and minimum of delay time. Okay, the required resource for this lab is one PC with internet access. Okay. First, the instruction. Okay, the first part is use ping to document network latency. In part one, you will examine network latency of several websites in different parts of the globe. This process can be used in an enterprise production network to create a performance baseline. Okay, for the step one, we will verify connectivity. Ping the following regional internet registry RIR website to verify connectivity. Okay, first, we do type ping www.ping.net. Wait for delay. Okay, after that, we try all the three. Other than that is which is affinic and happening. Okay. And sorry. And also okay. Sorry. Oh, oh, sorry. I forgot the ping. Okay. Okay, send for, receive for, and receive. If the website are resolved to IPv4 address, the option -4 can be used to resolve to IPv4 addresses if desired. The command becomes ping -4 www.netnik affinic or affinic.net. Okay, so I will use IPv6. For the step 2 is collect network data. You will collect a sufficient amount of data to compute starting on ping output by sending out 25 echo requests to each address listed in step 1. This step may vary in administrative privilege depending upon your operating system. Record the result for each website to test. Okay. At the command prompt, type ping to list the available option. Ping. Instead, we use the and count number of echo requests to send. Okay. So be using the ping command with the count option, you can send 25 echo requests to the destination as illustrated below. Furthermore, it will create a text file with file name of ring.txt in the current directory. This text will contain the result of the echo request. Okay. So and 25 www.net txt. If we open our document. You will see species, C users as a okay, we will see the list learning. You will see this. We will repeat for the other place, which is in test finished. You see finished. Okay. So we can do for the sometimes the prompt is delayed, so we must wait for before we continue. Okay. That app need can see here get happening. That is for the first step. For the next step, verify data collection. To verify that the file have been created, use the dir command to list the files in directory. Also, the wildcard can be used to filter only the text file. Okay, so we type dir txt. So you can see here txt, ethnic, and lenic. The next step, just more command at the command prompt. Okay, we can see the command or text. For the technique, we can see the this and minimum, maximum, and average. So, because your result in the following table. So we must do for the affinity and ethnic too, like this. So we it's uh, so you can put the minimum, maximum, and average to the table. Okay. So for the part two, use Traceroute to document network latency. The may go through many hops and a number of different ISP depending on the size of the ISP and location of the source and destination host. Traceroute commands can also be used to observe network latency. In part two, the traced command is used to trace the path of the same destination in part one. The command traces the Windows version of the Traceroute command. And for the step one, use the traced command and record the output the text file. Trace www. Traceroute underscore. Yes. Okay. If you open your file, you'll see the new Traceroute learning. Traceroute, you can see here, but it's not end yet, so you must wait. Must wait for the this to end.
Marafi. Oh, Marafi. Marafi. Sini.
Sometimes it will be delayed, so we must wait. So we must repeat for the every year, ethnic and ethnic too. on. Yeah.
Bro, dengar jalan dulu bro.
Very long. Yeah. See if it's ended, not yet. So we must wait for the confirm settle. Yeah. So if we see here, this threshold learning has been completed. And so we repeat for the other and everything. So if you verify, you see just everything, but the same, you must wait. Yeah, you must wait for the settle first. If that has been settled, you can release, can proceed to the next part. So here it's very, very long, very take time. So we must wait. Sometimes it takes a long time to finish this 16. Let's see if it has been complete. See, finish. Yeah, this is complete. So for the last, we will do for the admin. Same admin.net. So admin.txt. So if you open the file again, you'll see the root for admin. And again, we must wait to be settled. This Okay, I will see. If you see this see user access, so the trace has been complete. Yeah, this has been complete. Okay. We proceed to the next part. Use the more command to examine the trace file. Use the more command to access the content of this file. Okay. Try the trace code. Yes, XT. So it will appear here. So we can see IPv6 here. Yeah, 6 here. So we do for the attic. See for the IPv6, sorry. Okay. Uh, so B, perform the same analysis with the rest of the tracer result. What can you conclude regarding the relationship between the round trip time and geographical location? So we can conclude that uh, the response time is longer when compared to the physical distance to the destination. So for the part 3, that's the Traceroute. Although Traceroute has different implementation depending on the platform, all version allow the user to adjust its behavior. In Windows, that can be done providing option and switch in the trace command line. Reverse name resolution resolving an IP address to a domain name can add a delayed trace result and you yield inaccurate result. To ensure the result won't attempt to reverse resolve of IP address, add the D option to trace the command line. So we try to reset www but that at is Scotty underscore txt. So same you see it in your file and see that you must repeat for the other Affinity and Ebony. That settle, so you must wait like before. I don't know why it's too long time. Maybe it's for the connection, the delay. Okay, so you can see senior say yes. So the trace has been completed. Okay. So okay. Ada here. Opinion. Enter and in you can open your file. Yeah, yeah, so you must wait. So we will wait.
Then, assessment ko.
We not okay. So as earlier, when we see series essay, this is complete. Plus is acne. Traceroute. Txt.
Tadi kau kan ambil laptop kan?
So we will see this here. Okay, so we must wait. And it's take so long. Okay, so the trace is complete. Now we can move to the next step. Use the more command to access the content of this file. Root. Yes. Okay, so we can see here the trace is complete. Okay, we also can do the affinity and also happening. Okay. What is different about the trace set output when the D option was added? Okay, for here, when the D option was added, trace D does not resolve IP address to the host name. Okay, so you will see the IP address. Repository reflection question. There's an ping user can provide important network latency information. What you need to do if you want to an accurate baseline picture regarding network latency for your network. So you will need to perform careful delay analysis over successive days and during different period of days to get an accurate baseline picture. Okay, so number two, how can you use the baseline information? You can compare the baseline data against current data to determine if there has been a change in network response time. So that's all from me. Thank you.